Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. The prospects for the mining, silver industry look promising on the back of rising silver prices. Global industrial demand for silver is expected to reach record levels in 2024, mainly driven by photovoltaics, while supply is expected to dip 1%. This suggests a fourth consecutive year of deficit for the silver market, which is likely to bolster prices. Here are 5 top silver mining stocks which are poised to benefit from solid projects, improved operational efficiency, and disciplined cost management. Number 1. Fresnillo FNLP. FNLPF reported attributable silver production of 13.5 million ounces in the first quarter of 2024, up 2.7% year-over-year, aided by increased contribution from Juanicipio, the higher ore grade at San Julian veins, and increased volume of or processed at Saucedo. Silver equivalent ounces are expected to be 101 to 112 million in 2024. The new Juanicipio project has now been fully ramped up and is expected to boost the company's silver production while lowering consolidated group costs. Fresnillo is investing in several projects to boost production and ensure steady growth in the coming years. Its focus on improving operational performance and efficiency is expected to reduce costs. FNLPF's high-quality assets, ample mineral resources, competitive margins, and disciplined approach to development will continue to drive growth. The consensus estimate for this Mexico-based company's current year earnings has shot up 700% in 90 days. The estimate suggests year-over-year growth of 54.8%. Number 2. Fortuna Silver Mines, FSM. In the first quarter of 2024, the company achieved a gold equivalent production of 112,543 ounces, marking a 20% increase from the year-ago quarter. The improvement was mainly attributed to the contribution of Séguéla. FSM expects to produce 343 to 385,000 ounces of gold in 2024, and silver production is expected at 4 to 4.7 million ounces. Gold equivalent ounces are expected to be 457,000 to 497,000. Capital allocation priorities for 2024 aim to enhance balance sheet flexibility through debt reduction and funding aggressive organic growth programs, with a focus on the Diamba Sud project and the Séguéla mine. The consensus estimate for Fortuna Silver's 2024 bottom line is pegged at earnings of 37 cents, which indicates year-over-year growth of 68.2%. The estimate has improved from the loss of 12 cents mentioned 90 days ago. The company has a trailing 4-quarter earnings surprise of 85.2% on average. Number 3. PanAmerican Silver, PAAS. The company's acquisition of Yamana Gold, which was completed in 2023, was a transformational and strategic transaction that strengthened its position as a leader in silver and gold production in Latin America. This deal added long life, low-cost assets, and boosted the company's portfolio to 12 operating mines. This was evident in the company's results, with production improving 28.7% for silver and 81.7% for gold in the first quarter of 2024. PAAS is on track to drive growth in silver and gold production in 2024, with a full-year contribution from the acquisition and higher production at La Colorada following the completion of a ventilation infrastructure in mid-2024. Its recent announcement to sell its La Arena asset in Peru will improve its financial position and is aligned with its strategy of continued portfolio optimization. The consensus estimate for the company's fiscal 2024 earnings indicates a year-over-year surge of 241.7%. The estimate has moved up 28% in the past 90 days. Number 4. Hecla Mining HL. The company produced 4.2 million ounces of silver in the first quarter of 2024. Production grew 3.7% year-over-year and 43% sequentially. The improvement reflects the consistent, strong performance at Greens Creek, the Lucky Friday mine reaching full production in March, and the ongoing ramp-up at Keno Hill. HL expects to produce silver of 16.5 to 17.5 million ounces in 2024. The company intends to take this up to 20 million ounces of silver by 2026. Driven by its relentless focus on continuous improvement and innovation, Hecla Mining has achieved a 25% increase in silver reserves, a 38% rise in silver production and 27% growth in revenues in the past 5 years. Hecla Mining currently mines nearly 50% of the silver in the United States, which makes it the largest U.S. silver producer. The Coeur d'Alene, ID-based company has a trailing four-quarter earnings surprise of 33.3% on average. The consensus estimate for HL's fiscal 2024 earnings indicates year-over-year growth of 500%. The estimate has moved up 300% in the past 90 days. Number 5. MAG Silver, MAG. The company's principal asset is the high-margin underground silver project Juanicipio in Zacatecas, Mexico. In the project, it has a 44% interest, with the remaining 56% held by Fresnillo. In the first quarter of 2024, Juanicipio achieved silver and silver-equivalent productions of 4.5 million ounces and 6.4 million ounces, respectively. MAG Silver expects Juanicipio to produce 14.3 to 15.8 million silver ounces in 2024, thus yielding between 13.2 million and 14.6 million payable silver ounces. An expanded exploration program is in place for Juanicipio to look for multiple highly prospective targets. MAG is also executing multi-phase exploration programs at the 100% Earn-In Deer Trail project in Utah and the 100% owned Larder project, located in the historically prolific Abitibi region of Canada. The consensus estimate for this Vancouver, Canada-based company's 2024 earnings indicates 21.3% growth from the year-ago reported figure. The estimate has moved north by 4% over the past 90 days. MAG has a trailing four-quarter earnings surprise of 6.1% on average. Which one of these stocks would you like to invest in? Let us know in the comments.